Hello, my lovely fans. How are we doing today? So today, I want to teach you how to resolve a vector. Stay with me and don't go away. Right. Now, if you are given this is a what? L shape, right? Good. And we all here is what is zero. And we all know that in physics, okay, even in mathematics, this is what vertical axis, this is what horizontal axis. We all know that vertical axis are labeled as what? Y. And horizontal axis are labeled as what? X. Right? Good. Now, if I want to resolve a vector, now I will have what? Okay. Now, if this angle is what? Theta. Now, from here to here, let me just cut it off. Sorry, let me cut it off here. Now, from here, let me not use from here to here is what? F, right? Now, from here to here, let me call it what? F of what? Y. Then from here to here, I'll call it F of what? X. Good. Now, and remember again that if here is what? Right angle triangle. Now, here will automatically be what? Opposite. And here will be what? Adjacent. Right? Good. Here will be what? Hypotenuse. Good. We all know that opposite over hypotenuse will give me what? Sine theta. Now you have adjacent over hypotenuse will give me what? Theta. Good. Now having this, we all know that from here to here is what? Vertical axis. So we have vertical axis. Let me just shorten it. Vertical axis. We now have from here to here. That is what? Is what? Sine. So we now say f of y will now give me f because I'm dealing with what? Forces here. Right? Good. F sine theta. I'm trying to resolve this angle now. Now, in horizontal axis, now you have what? F of x will now give me F cos. This is how we resolve. If this is a what? A single what? Vector. If you are trying to resolve a single vector, this is how it goes. So what will you do now? If you are given what? A figure. Now put the force here and put the angle. You multiply and get your answer. Now, if it's what? Horizontal axis. Here is force. Here is what? Angle. You multiply and you have your answer. Thank you for watching.